How to check if string value is empty in Python. The first approach is to use the given string value as a condition. In an if-else statement, the string value can evaluate to a Boolean value. Empty string evaluates to false. Non-empty string like apple evaluates to true. Also, if you observe, if block executes when string is non-empty, and else block executes when string is empty. If you would like to have the if block execute when the string is empty, you can use not operator before the string value is shown. Not string value is the condition and returns a Boolean value. With this modification, if the string value is empty, the condition is true and the if block executes. If the string is non-empty, the condition is false and the else block executes. In this example, we will take a string value in a variable, x, and check if the string is empty or not. Run the program and you will get the following output. Since the given string value is empty, the condition is true, and if block executes. Let us change the string value in x to apple and run the program again. Since the given string value is non-empty, the condition is false and else block executes. The second approach is to use equal to comparison operator. In this expression, the equal to comparison operator compares the string value with an empty string. The expression returns true if string value equals empty string, or false otherwise. We can use this expression as a condition in an if-else statement. Let us take a string value in variable x and check if x is empty string or not, using equal to comparison operator. Let us run this program. Since the given string value is empty, the condition is true, and the if block executes. Let us change the string value to apple and run the program again. Since the given string value is non-empty, the condition is false and the else block executes. This is how we can check if a given string is empty or not. Thank you.